Make sure to stand till the end. If you don't do it right, you can damage the light or you can break your door handle mechanism as well. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be a super helpful video to any of you having a BMW 3 or 4 series BMW, guys. If you need to remove or replace or see how to install exterior door handles, David will explain how to do that in this video today. We have a special video that explains how to replace or how to remove exterior door handle. This one will be about installing the door handle, because there is a trick. If you don't do it right, it will not work. So all that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We constantly take them apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Check it out. So let's go ahead, start on it now. So what we have here specifically, guys, we'll demonstrate on 3 series, but 4 series will be exactly the same. So let's explain what we have here. Most of you guys will come right here in an angle, right? You'll come in an angle and you'll try to put it in, okay? And remember, when we remove that door handle, okay, it used to be in. We come in an angle towards the back and then it comes out. But now it doesn't go in. I cannot push it all the way in. Check this thing out. You can see, okay, right here, I want to show you now, there is a gap. Check this thing out. No matter how much I try, there is a gap. So what's the trick about that? You're going to come right here. Through right here, you're going to see, guys, the door handle mechanism on the inside. Let me focus here for a second. Okay, and we're going to go, okay, let me get a flathead screwdriver quick now. Okay, 1 second. Perfect. I'm going to go through here, through that hole, and I'm going to lift, okay, that thing. Okay, give me 1 second. That thing, I'm going to lift it up like that, and one person will slide the handle in and let go. That's it, guys. You can see it's all the way in. Now the handle, well, it worked, but I just put it because we don't have the cylinder door lock. So we're going to go ahead, okay, and hook it up again. See that? No, pull out, go back. Perfect. Install. That's it right there. As you can see, the door handle is in and now it works correctly. All we have to do is just install the light here later and the cylinder door lock, which is super simple. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.